Are you unknowingly throwing money away every single day? Chances are the answer is yes. Most of us have everyday habits, subscriptions, or spending patterns that drain our wallets without us even noticing. In this video, we're uncovering the 10 most common ways people waste money and how to stop it. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips to instantly plug those money leaks and start saving more each month. Stick around until the end, because number 10 might completely change how you think about spending. 1. Unused subscriptions. Let's start with one of the biggest silent wallet killers: subscriptions you forgot you had. From streaming services to cloud storage, app trials, magazines, gym memberships, and even software tools. These add up fast. The average person wastes over $300 a year on unused subscriptions. Use tools like Truebill or manually review your statements to identify and cancel what you don't use regularly. A 5-minute audit could save you hundreds. 2. Brand name groceries next up. Overpaying for name brand products. Most store brand or generic items have the same ingredients and quality, especially with basics like flour, sugar, canned goods, and medicine. Yet people pay 30% to 50% more just for the label. Make it a habit to compare prices and ingredients. Switching just a few items can save you $20 or more every grocery trip. 3. Buying new instead of used. From furniture to electronics and even cars, new items come with a steep price tag and immediate depreciation. Used doesn't mean bad, it means smart. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, and eBay are gold mines for quality secondhand deals. For big purchases, always ask, can I get this used for less? 4. Dining out. Too often, ordering takeout or dining at restaurants feels convenient, but the cost stacks up quickly. A single restaurant meal can cost 3 to 5 times more than a home-cooked version. If you eat out even twice a week, that could mean over $200 a month in extra expenses. Meal prepping just twice a week can reduce this habit dramatically and boost your savings. 5. Paying for extended warranties. Retailers love upselling extended warranties, but most of them go unused. Many products already come with manufacturer warranties, and your credit card may offer purchase protection too. Unless the product has a high risk of failure or repair costs are extreme, skip the upsell and save the cash. 6. Letting food go to waste. According to the USDA, the average household throws away 30 to 40% of its food. That's like buying groceries and tossing a third of them in the trash. Create a meal plan before shopping, store food properly, and freeze leftovers. Apps like Too Good To Go can also help you rescue discounted food from local restaurants and stores. 7. Buying coffee or drinks daily. A $5 coffee each workday adds up to $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year. The occasional coffee is fine, but if it's a habit, consider investing in a quality coffee machine or brewing at home. Same goes for bottled water or energy drinks. Opt for a reusable bottle and filter to cut down recurring expenses. 8. Late fees and interest charges. This one hurts. Forgetting to pay bills on time leads to unnecessary late fees, overdraft charges, and interest on credit cards. Set up automatic payments or use calendar reminders to avoid penalties. Even better, pay off your full credit card balance each month to avoid compounding interest. 9. Impulse buying. During sales create a false sense of urgency that leads people to buy things they don't actually need. Just because it's 40% off doesn't mean it's a good deal. Apply the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying non-essential items. You'll often find the desire to purchase disappears, and you save money by not spending at all. 10. Ignoring price comparisons. Whether it's flights, electronics, groceries, or insurance, failing to shop around can cost you big. Before making any purchase, especially online, use comparison tools like Honey, Google Shopping, or Price Grabber. You can often find the same item for significantly less, or score a promo code to cut costs. Bonus tip. Review your bank and credit card statements monthly, not just for fraud protection, but to track spending patterns. You'll be surprised by what you find and what you can live without. Small leaks sink big ships. And the same goes for your finances. By identifying and eliminating these common money wasters, you'll take a major step toward financial freedom. Which of these habits are you guilty of? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Mastery Insights and hit the bell so you never miss practical tips on how to build wealth, save smarter, and live financially free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.